This week, we're touring the 2025 Sunseeker Ocean 182. The 182 in the name refers not to the length of the boat, but rather its gross tonnage, which is a measurement of its interior volume. Sunseeker chose this naming convention to highlight the yacht's large interior space, which is 50% more than the Ocean 90, the yacht it is based upon. They say the name reflects the trend of clients asking for more enclosed living space in smaller yachts. And the Ocean 182 doesn't disappoint, with over 2,000 square feet of interior space across 3 decks. Let's check it out. Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. We're back at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, visiting the Sunseeker booth to check out the Ocean 182. The swim deck is absolutely massive. To starboard, we have a Tech Impex induction barbecue, which is a good choice as it's next to the diesel fill station with vent and fuel polisher setup. Here we have a bit of storage, which is mirrored to port. As I pan back, you get a full appreciation of just how big this deck is. Stepping up to the cockpit, there is a comfortable sitting area featuring freestanding furniture, which makes it easy to customize to the owner's own needs and taste. There are also docking controls to starboard, as well as a side entry. The high gunnels and sturdy handrails make for a safe and secure walk up to the bow. There is also a side entrance into the dining area. After 2 small steps up, as we arrive at the bow, we find a wide variety of sitting and lounging options under multiple sunshades. With pop-up lights and plenty of cup holders, this is the place to relax, day or night. The twin anchor setup is forward of the sun pad. I do think it would be nice to see this recessed a little bit more with a cover. It is very close to the edge of the sun pad and seems like a stubbed toe or twisted ankle just waiting to happen. Looking back, you can really appreciate how much space is available. Moving back aft, we find an ice maker and fender storage. Again, we have a side entrance into the galley and slider door into the salon. Back in the cockpit, we find a sink with refrigerator and freezer tucked below. Entering the salon through the heavy-duty slider, one is greeted with recessed lighting, a wide open floor plan with a large TV and huge sofa, and freestanding chairs. Again, easily customized. Moving forward, we pass by the day head, dining table set for 8, and gallery to port. The forward-positioned galley offers incredible space and storage, with discreet crew-dedicated side deck access. Fully equipped with Miele appliances and a wine cooler, the galley is perfect for entertaining around the large dining table. Continuing forward, we head down to the VIP stateroom. Situated privately at the bow, the VIP features a desk, large hanging locker, a queen bed, an ensuite with toilet, single vanity, and standalone shower stall featuring an overhead rain shower head. And of course, a large TV with Sonos soundbar. From here, we'll make our way amidship to check out the 2 double staterooms and the primary stateroom. All the stairs on the boat are comfortable to ascend and descend and have strong handrails. Here we enter the first of the 2 mirrored double staterooms. Featuring a large window for natural light, The two twin beds can be slid together to form one large bed. The room features a large TV and soundbar. The ensuite includes a toilet, single vanity, and large shower stall with window to enjoy the view while you're cleaning up. The room also has one of the largest hanging lockers I've seen in a standard guest room. Just next door, we find the second of the double staterooms. In this case, we can see that the twin beds have been separated. Once again, the head, closet, and TV are identical to the previous room. Finally, we enter the large, full-beam owner's or primary stateroom, featuring a large king-sized bed and mirrored TV with soundbar, and a large sofa to starboard. The room includes a hanging locker system with split locker to starboard and a dual door single locker to aft. I don't think I've seen such heavy-duty hardware on a hanging locker door before. Definitely well built. From here, we get a good view of the whole room with a jewelry makeup desk to port. The ensuite has plenty of counter space, storage, dual sinks, toilet, and shower stall similar to the VIP. There are also matching nightstands. But wait, there's even more to this boat. Remember, the 182 has 50% more interior space than the Ocean 90 that it is based upon. Moving up to the Flybridge, we find the one and only helm station on the 182. They did not include one on the main deck in order to increase the usable interior space. Here we find a full Garmin instrument cluster with throttle and thruster controls, of course. The captain's chairs are large, comfortable, and fully adjustable. The view while underway is second to none. Now, turning our attention to the space behind us, we find a fully conditioned interior space with plenty of seating and a massive TV. But for when you want the alfresco experience, you can step outside and enjoy your dinner around a table for 8, with entertaining bar to port with sink, barbecue, fridge, and ice maker. For those times you still want to enjoy the outdoors, but need a little shade, there is a retractable sunscreen mounted above. Re-entering the Flybridge, I would be remiss if I didn't point out the dayhead, saving you needless trips up and down the stairs on game day. From here, you can check out your neighbors in their hot tub. And before heading out, let's just take one last look. The Sunseeker Ocean 182 is quite the boat. Is it the right boat for you? Leave your comments below. Now, check out all her specs. If you like this tour, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you'll be notified each time an episode drops. We appreciate all your support, and we'll see you next time.